So welcome to my basics in eating and fast food. Hey dude, congratulations, I'm coming over here. I'm gonna need you to do some quizzes because I like doing those, so go into the rooms and solve them. Alright, so I'm gonna need you to answer the questions. If you get it wrong, you're banned, alright? Alright, so problem 1. Alright, so problem 2. Alright, problem 3. You got this. Good job, here's $1. Alright, so problem 1. Alright, so problem 2. Alright, problem 3. Wait, why are all the option salads? What happened? Why all the option salads? Oh my god, why did you quick run? Alright, dude, alright, that's it, you're banned.
I am your Uber. Your food is here. Go to the cafeteria exit to pick up your food.
Alright, that's it. What are you doing? You go into my mall and clicked on a salad and took all of the food I had. You were banned on Twitch, you're banned from the Discord, you're... Oh, that tasted awful. Alright, that's it. Give me the food. I'm gonna eat all this. There we go.
Wasn't that his food?
You're still banned. You're not only banned on the Twitch, YouTube, Discord, all that. You're gonna get banned from life. Get over here, buddy. So like, welcome to my basics in eating and fast food.